So, hello everyone. So, in the today's session, we have Surendra Patel, who has very good amount of experience in the IT industry, which is a DevOps career. So, definitely, he will share about his experience about the DevOps, how the journey he started basically. Okay, then how what challenges he faced during the upskilling of the DevOps knowledge, then how the works and how he experienced about the IT industry in terms of his point of view. Okay, so we will get all the knowledge by this session. So definitely just do watch and till end of the video basically. So you will get lots of insight there. Okay. So yeah, thank you Suren Patel for joining this platform. So definitely lots of viewers and followers definitely gets lots of helpful sessions ideas from this session basically. Okay. So thank you for being here. So definitely we can just start with your introduction and we can discuss further.
Yeah, sure, Namdev, and thank you for inviting me. It's a great, definitely would be a great session for me as well. So thank you for inviting me. It's my pleasure. So, hi everyone. Think again there is some issue. Again, I'm like okay, getting some issue. Okay. So hi everyone. Surendra Patel, having almost 12 years plus years of experience overall in IT industries and 8 plus years in cloud DevOps and SRE, and nowadays SRE and platform engineering is going on. So yeah, I am kind of cloud architect, uh, worked as a cloud architect, as a right solution architect for different SMBs and enterprises. So I'm in, having some global certifications like AWS Well Architect, Argo CD, RSC, RSCSA, MCP, CCNSPT, Azure, and all those in those areas. So yeah, that's my small brief introduction, and I love to do smart work. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you for the details basically. So probably you can just share your experience, how you start your journey, okay, after the education,
Yeah, so I
and
mean,
what challenges you
uh,
face day to day basis,
yeah, no, sure, sure.
and
So, uh,
how you think about the DevOps market.
so basically, my cloud and DevOps journey started, I would say 7 8 years back, right? Before that, I was in like system admin, server administration field, right? And that point of time, even cloud and DevOps was, I mean, those kind of technologies were very not popular, right? Those were, I mean, the big giant companies were, using those ones. So, right. So
Yeah,
I am
yeah,
from tier 3 city. So that point of time, I don't think so. No, I mean, no company was using, right? They were.
yeah, yeah.
So, I mean, from last 5 years or 8 years. So, to be honest, I will say, I mean, I started my journey in IT, not after graduation, within the graduation itself. And I mean, when I was in college in my second year, so I started, and the parallelly, I started job as well as a kind of internship. And apart from it, I was doing this, I mean, hardware and networking courses, right? So I mean, uh, I was, preparing. Okay, I got a chance, and thanks to my, I would say, there was one sir, Nishan sir, so to provide me an opportunity, and I was working there as a junior admin. I worked for a 3 months as an internship, and due to a good work, I mean, they promoted me as a system admin, and I started journey from there. So after, I worked there for that company for some time, I mean, for some year, I mean, for a year, and then I, switched switched to another company. So likewise, the in the meantime I was doing enhancing my skill as well, learning, because learning should be there, right? Learning shouldn't be stopped, right? Each day you should learn great things, right? And the IT is very vast, right? So you should have to be upskill, otherwise, right? So with the base, right, you should have the base, everyone should have the base. So yeah, I mean, I worked for the client staffing. I mean, I worked in the Hyderabad, uh, Bangalore, Delhi, okay, for the customer. I worked in a good MNCs as well, okay. So, and right now I'm also working. So yeah, that's all my journey. And specifically on cloud DevOps market, right? I mean, before cloud and DevOps, I mean, cloud DevOps is nothing, I would say, automation, right? Earlier there were also a servers, right? But the thing is, through scripting and through little bit automation, someone has to, work, right? In that days, we need to work in that way only, right? So by that, we can, do the things in a quick way. But nowadays, a lot of tools and technologies comes, right? When this cloud, and even when the DevOps introduced, and cloud dev, I remember in 2013, I went for the AWS reInvent as well on Mumbai, from sponsorship from my company. So even I wasn't know much about like that point of time, right? What is the? I mean, those were very niche skill. So I mean, I got a chance, and thanks to my company where they promoted me, okay, along with my senior, I think one senior architect there. I was a kind of, junior member, but yeah, I got a chance to participate in the AWS reInvent. So I mean, those were kind of memories. Yeah.
So, a point of based on your experience, so how you think about the market and DevOps market, basically how it grows. So, how you can suggest to the candidate as a DevOps roadmap.
So to be honest, I mean, cloud and DevOps is a vast field, right? Lot of tools, technologies. So even in the cloud, right, there are 10 or even more than 10 clouds. But if you see, the giant one is AWS, Azure, and GCP, right? And even if you see the Gartner report, right? So AWS is kind of dominating, then Azure, and then GCP. But I mean, I'm just giving you in a layman language so everyone can understand. But yeah, I mean, it's a vast field, right? In the CI/CD platform, Jenkins is widely used. Azure DevOps, GitHub Action nowadays is going on, right? So a lot of things are there. Apart from it,
Yes.
lot of in cloud or DevOps, lot of things are there. So when I say lot of things are there, so technologies wise, lot of tools are there. No, I mean, I would recommend to have a expertise or pro skill on fuse and have a knowledge on, because according to the customer requirement those tools come into the picture, right? Again, according to their budget, right? So and accordingly we get the chance. So the cloud DevOps market, I would say, is a vast field. Now everyone as a I would say fresher, right? When or a fresher graduates, everyone, I mean, according to their interest, right, they should try, they should explore, they should, everyone should explore their area. Like designing they can explore, development they can explore, in the development Python, .NET, React, Node.js, front end, back end, right? And big data, IoT, they can explore. But when after exploring, they can go to, and they should also explore DevOps cloud, right? And according to their interest, if they have confirmed like, hey, they can go or move to cloud DevOps, I mean, that's field they are liking, then they can set, they can create a, they can follow the roadmap. Lot of great communities are there, like 90 days roadmap plan, right? I mean, I will share some of the link after this meetings. I would say this DevOps upgrade programs, 90 days of DevOps program. Michael Cade, right? He's really good kind of communicator, like so different kind of aspects are there. So it's a vast field, to be honest, and uh, everyone should have a path, right? And nowadays SRE, right, a next generation SRE thing, and platform engineering is also the niche area, right, cutting edge area. So yeah, I mean, that's my thought. And the potential is great, opportunity is right now after the, I mean, from the last year, this year, everyone is getting, even for the fresher, opportunities are there. They should prepare for the interviews. They should have I mean good I mean knowledge about, right? So the good homework should be there before going into the interview.
Exactly. So, as you said, in the next generation, the SRE will come. So, how we can differentiate between DevOps or SRE? Because lots of people, I'm sure they are just getting or curious about to understand basically what is the SRE exactly, what in the real time what the SRE do apart from
So
as a DevOps if we compare.
I would say cloud or DevOps, cloud is kind of where we are having the infrastructure, right, in whatever format, containerization, serverless, or virtual machines, right, or the resources services. The DevOps kind of automation, right? We are plugging and making things in a smooth or in a fast way, right? Through DevOps
Yeah,
tools and
correct.
technologies. And when it comes to SRE, so because normally DevOps work with the development team, right? And they, do the fast process to make a fast process for SDLC and all those things. But SRE, what is the major difference is SRE people, they know about coding. They know about what can be, I mean, what issues can be happen, right? In the production, let's say production environments are running for any site, let's say Amazon.com or Flipkart, right? If any issue persists, if any issue happen, how they can, at least in a basic troubleshooting, right, in an initial step, how they can rectify, how they can, so they should have, I mean, they are having good knowledge in the development side, development language. So whether it's Python, JavaScript, right? So I mean SRE, not only with the coding, they are they are kind of combination with, like, I mean, they are kind of troubleshooting man, or basically majorly focusing on how system should be up and running every time, right? What kind of remediation step we should follow to make a system always uptime, right, always resilient,
Yeah,
right? Because cloud is infrastructure, DevOps is automation, but how you can make a system like it should always uh, like up to date, or running 24 into 7. So this is kind of SRE. Different kind of things are there. SLA, even we everyone knows about it, service level agreement, but SLOs are there. SLI are is also there. A lot of things are there, but main thing is that some sort of coding and troubleshooting step. I think it's a combination basically SR, but it's
yeah.
not like, no one can go on, I mean, SRE, right? Because it's not like that. Like, so
So
that's my
yeah,
opinion. Yeah.
yeah. So basically, it's like a he can the SRE person he can know about the some part of the DevOps operations and the observability. Basically, we can say like monitoring the infrastructure. Then whatever the things coming in, like any alert system or something, then he can just support on that as well.
Yeah, correct. So there are two difference, right? So knock also is there. One knock part is there, right?
Yeah.
When it comes to infrastructure monitoring, application monitoring, or different kind of middleware monitoring, right? But knock engineer, they are just monitoring it. They are not healing it, right? They are not
Yeah.
improvisationing it, right, or repairing it. But when it comes to SRE, before anything happen, right, what is the
Hmm.
tracing, right? How the postmortem or root cause analysis should be there, right? So all those things should be there, right? So
Yes.
this is the not only monitoring or to heal, right? So I think there is one I mean there are a couple of tools and technologies in the market like Dynatrace, right? App Dynamics, Splunk, New Relic. They provide, those are paid one and free one, freemium as well, like Nagios, Monitor as well there. But they provide the monitoring and how each and every component, right? How from I mean end to end monitoring, I would say, right? With tracing and with resilience, this kind of thing.
Yeah, correct. So now nowadays, no, everyone knows about this DevOps market is booming. So what is doing basically,
Mhm.
some of the non-IT background peoples are coming from, their different skill sets from the non-IT to, they want to switch their career to DevOps field. So how you can just view on that point of
Mhm.
view basically, and how you can suggest how they can enter into the DevOps market? Will they survive because they are not from the technical background basically? So
Mhm.
how much efforts they need to put if they want to survive in the DevOps market?
See, to be honest, I am not a good person here to say or comment for them. But I mean, what I think, I mean, no one can stop anyone, right? I mean, nothing is impossible. So it's the main thing is about zeal, the courage, determination. Lot of factors are there, right? कुछ करना है किसी को तो वो नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से भी, if someone come from non technical background, he or she can do, right? Yeah, but definitely
Yes,
they should
yes.
path, they should follow path, they should have some direction, they should have some discipline, right? And they should have the uh, I would say review as well, right? Or like, I mean, they are going good or not, right? In a good direction or not, right? Like
Yeah.
right. So the I would say calculation they should have, right? I mean, they are going or not. So anyone can come, I will not say, but yeah, from non-IT background, they should, they are, I mean, they need to do a little more, you know, uh, give hard work. They need to give, they need to devote more work, right? They need to do is more hard work, I would say, not being from non-IT field. And there definitely lot of things are there. Even your channel is providing great thing, right? In terms of jobs, in terms of the videos, right? The path they can follow, right? So and in the market different kind of tools are there, right? The different kind of communities are there. The CDEC is very famous, right? It's a very I mean chargeable, but yeah, scalar is there. But lot of, I mean, companies started Udemy's portal, lot of portals are there, right? YouTube is best, as like you are also providing content, right? So lot of, there is no limit every anyone to learn things, right? Or follow things.
Yes, ultimately, some people might think like, yeah, IT wale bahut kama lete hai, right? Six-figure salary.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
just if you are coming to this DevOps market just because of looking at salary, so definitely you will not survive in the IT market, because you need to put means the candidate need to put lots of efforts there, learning path and the discipline basically, if they want to grow and survive in the IT market, because this is not a kind of a government job. So every IT person who want to work or grow in their life, so they should have a they should provide the efforts basically to learning and upscaling day to day basis.
Correct, correct, correct,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Just
Yeah.
if the candidate is looking just for the salary perspective, like six-figure salary or something in the DevOps, normally people think in the society like IT wale bahut kamate hain. Okay. But how IT person will earn, the IT person will know. Okay. How the job situation,
Hmm.
how the pressure handling, when we have some any production issues or any kind of escalation, lots of things are there. Earning money is
Correct,
definitely not a easy part. Okay. As people think in the
correct,
society.
correct, correct, definitely, definitely. So yeah, yeah, those things are there. I mean, see, with the IT development, designing, big data, IoT, now AI, Gen AI, right? Machine learning. Lot of niche areas are there, right? So where people, and it is basically helping humanity as well, right? So excellence, I would say, like Three Idiots dialogue, everyone knows, right? So excellence, go for the excellence. Okay, money will definitely come. Go for learn
Yeah, definitely.
skills. Yeah.
Exactly. So now one more thing, like we can definitely highlight those points because social today's trend is a social market. Everyone good or bad things available on the social media platform. So
Mhm.
as a professional network, like LinkedIn or something, how people can use effectively, how to make network connections for the good bonding. It's not something like today you have sent the request some person and you just next day you just started chatting like yeah, just give me refer me or something like that. Okay, that tricks definitely will not help out because you suddenly make a friends with the unknown person and if you are asking some favors, definitely that will not going to happen. Okay, so
Mhm.
when you don't need a job in the market, so in that position you need to prepare or start creating the network and developing the bonding basically with the your field network, uh, senior person or anything like HR or something. So not even
Mhm.
कि like जब जरूरत है तभी किससे friend बना और उसको जरूरत की चीजें मांगो, right? So how you just suggest like that effective use of LinkedIn's platform?
So to be honest, there are a lot of platform, but yeah, the LinkedIn is very popular, right? And I mean, great community with the professionals, right? And each and every segment, I would say. So I mean, the first thing, short and crisp, the profile should be there. What value, right? Because content you can create a good content that can help, that can add a value, right? To so you can or anyone can, in at least, I'm not saying like in a day give, uh, but yeah, gradually they can make a habit. At least in a week, they can start with a week, give one, I mean, good post, right? They can use some AI kind of tools, right? The Cloudy, right? The Gemini is there, the Chat GPT is there, right? Right Sonic is there, a lot of things. So they can, proper make a content. Okay, they can make, and look, because they can get a lot of content from anything else, so they can, concise and crisp that content using those tools, and they can give a post, right? Not only with technically, another thing, right? For growth, for financial, I mean, lot of topics are there, right? So and they can have a I mean, good profile they can use even with the free one, right? They can when they send any request, so they can give a short message, right? Or something, if they are want to, I mean, if someone want, if someone is looking for a job, so he or she can mention about specific expertise and what exactly, what value he or she can add it, right? All those things, right? So, and definitely language content should be there, and yeah, all those things. They can join different kind of groups or communities in the LinkedIn, right? So all those, I think, parameters they can use. Even the Twitter, right? In the Twitter, great communities are there, right? Great groups are there, so from there also, uh, so yeah, I mean, I will not say only IT, lot of non-IT talks also go, but
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
which basically add the values to everyone, right?
So I think most of the questions or queries from the users we have covered. So definitely we will come up with the more sessions like if user can comment their queries, so we can just club it together, okay, and we can create one more sessions based on their queries. So I will appeal to the users basically if you have any specific questions, doubts, so you can just definitely do comment your queries basically. So we can just do club with a weekly basis and we can just publish more sessions based on your users query basically, okay. So that query will definitely we can try to sort out from by this using the platform, okay. So before wrap up the session, so do you have any mind in your mind basically you want to suggest to the people who are watching this video on this platform?
No, I mean, in terms of suggestion, I mean, yeah, I would say if they wants to, because this is your channel focusing basically on cloud and DevOps area, right, and SRE. So I would say, and whoever is following basically or whoever wants to make a career, they can definitely uh, they need to do learning, right? Keep learning, right? And keep motivating yourself. uh,
Yeah.
Watch, see, learn, I mean, good technologies, and not only technologies, communication skill, non-functional, not with the technical, non-functional, I would say areas are also there, right? Communication, or even thinking, right? Your behavior, a lot of things are there, but yeah, I mean, so definitely they can follow different kind of roadmap, and yeah, I think they can, like, they can grow on. Likewise.
I think you have highlighted very most important points which I missed. I don't know how I missed basically. Showcasing ourselves is the one of the key area in the IT market. If you are doing 100% in your work area, but you not able to showcase yourself to the market, like your manager, your team, your clients basically, so you will not get promotions or whatever's are there in the industry. So whatever
Mhm.
we are doing, we need to showcase in the market, like in the market means your teammates or team architect or lead basically, or your client or your manager. Okay, showcasing
Correct.
our task is one of the key area for the success. So this is
Great.
the
No, no, to be.
yeah.
No, no, definitely. I 100% agree, and that is true. Because from sharing we can get the feedbacks, right? If everyone, and from sharing we can, also enhance, anyone can enhance, or everyone can enhance their knowledge as well, right? So
Yeah.
definitely sharing is a key of success.
Yeah, I think we are done with this today's session. So definitely, if more questions will come on this video or with the new questions or doubts, basically, so we can just club and we will launch new more videos on that.
Sure, sure, sure.
So thank you, Surender, for joining this session and share your insights. So definitely, this session will help out to the lots of viewers, basically. So I would suggest viewers to just you can just share this video to lots of your friend circle and your groups, so they also can get the benefits from this video. Okay. So thank you once again, Surender, for joining and
Thank
sharing your
you.
experience.
Thank you for inviting me, and thank you for being here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
all the
you.
best, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.